Bel Mariano. Congratulations, Bel, on your cover. And before we talk about the cover and celebrate exciting milestones, we'd like to take a moment to celebrate you. You recently marked another year around the sun. You just turned 24. And on behalf of Cosmo and everyone here, we'd like to greet you a very happy birthday. And we've also prepared a little surprise for you together with our friends from Sunsilk. Everyone, let's wish Bel a happy birthday. Okay, who's gonna start the song? I'm about to sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Through her journey of finding her voice, she has inspired countless young people to get out of their comfort zone as they pursue who they aspire to be. This cover is particularly meaningful for us because it marks a first for Cosmopolitan Philippines and Summit Media. Bel is the first ever Summit cover star to be featured in our interactive Out of Home campaign at Wanayala.
First video, Sunsilk, thank you so much po to Cosmo. Thank you so much for making me your June 2026 cover. Thank you. I feel like I celebrated my birthday again with you guys today. To our press and media, thank you so much for spending your time with me. And ayun lang po, thank you. And I hope this cover continues to inspire people to not be afraid to be them. Not being afraid to face the world and finding independence. Diba? Kasi with everything that's happening now, it's so scary. But you just have to have that courage and you have to have the right people around you to encourage you to just not be afraid to go out and discover who you are. Because there's a lot of factors in this world that can influence us to who we're becoming. So it's important that we pick the right voices that we listen to.
And of course, Five Song Hospital's movie with Donnie is still showing in 100 cinemas nationwide and opening its doors to blockbuster week starting tomorrow, June 17th. It's also showing internationally in Australia and New Zealand, Middle East, United States, Canada, and Guam. And it's opening starting next week in Malaysia, Hong Kong, and Macau, and on July 21 in Taiwan. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, and of course it doesn't stop.
Si BTS po. Ang hirap po kumuha ng tickets. Sila po. So, kung pwede lang. Cosmo, pwede nyo rin po. Si Jungkook. Hi, Jungkook. Ayun po. First video, Sunsilk, thank you so much po to Cosmo. Thank you so much for making me your June 2026 cover. Thank you. I feel like I celebrated my birthday again with you guys today. To our press and media, thank you so much for spending your time with me. And ayun lang po, thank you. And I hope this cover continues to inspire people to not be afraid to be them.
Okay, so that's gonna be there for the rest of the month, and all your fans can take photos with it. Of course, tag Bel on Instagram. I'm sure she'd love to see you posting with her. Birthday to you.
Kung absent, grabe, ano, sa trabaho, sa school?
Sa trabaho.
Sa work? Teacher. Paano yung mga students mo? Okay. So, ko alam kung masaya ako o malungkot. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. I just want to say thank you to all of you guys for being here and to Pick Up Coffee for having this block screening. I love you guys so much, and I heard the movie hasn't started yet, but I hope you guys enjoy this film and that you learn a lot and see, you know, maybe yourselves in the characters and what not to do in a relationship. So, just to let you guys know, a couple of months ago, I went to Pick Up Coffee here in PGC, and we were giving away a lot of drinks. And I became a barista. Pang-alak pala yung bartender. Barista for a day. Yeah, you guys were there. Yeah. So, oh hi guys. Kumusta? And during that day, I had an ID on me for the day. So it's an official Pick Up Coffee ID. So I was asking them if we could raffle it out today. We'll do it?
You can go do it.
Pick a letter.
And the random.
That's so hard. Oh, sige. A to H. C. Para Cisco tsaka Cheska. And then, what number? Ano kung number kaya? 7.
1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. And walking shot.
Wagi shot me.
Okay.
Beautiful evening to everybody. Yay!
Wow, nanonood na sila. Ang galing. Paano kayo nandito? Ang galing.
Grabe traffic yan.
Hello guys, hello.